everyone, my name is Dr. Melissa Estevio and I'm a licensed clinical psychologist. Welcome to Biltmore Psychology and Counseling's video blog. So like I mentioned before, October is Infant and Pregnancy Loss Month, and so we're talking about miscarriage, loss of a child, and the impact that that can have on relationships. So I've answered a few questions so far. The third one that I got that I wanted to highlight were, what are the effects of death of a child on a marriage? And oh gosh, if we go to some of the research, it is pretty devastating. For many couples that have lost a child, it actually does result in divorce. So for a second, I want to highlight maybe some of the reasons why, but also highlight some of the ways that that does not have to be inevitable. So, marriage is really a time in which it can be give and take. And so for many times in a relationship, when one person is going through a hard point, their spouse or partner is able to be there for them. So if someone loses a parent, there can be that place where they lean in while that other person is really having a heavy moment. When there's a loss of a child, there's two people struggling with one of the most devastating things at the same time. And sometimes it just doesn't feel like there's enough emotional energy to be there for each other in the midst of that pain. And so a lot of the things that we focus on in couples counseling is helping them be able to share this experience and show empathy in a way that doesn't feel like they have to fix it for each other, but they can just cry together and mourn together and be there together. It's also important that they not insulate themselves from other people, so they have this ability to lean on their friends and lean on their family. I think that for many people, they feel like they don't want to burden others with this really heavy, sad thing, and yet I know that some of our best friends are there for us in the midst of these hard things and can take some of the weight off of the relationship so that they can be a little bit more emotionally full to be there for each other. And so when I have had couples that have gone through something like this, they often bring in this fear of this research that it's inevitable that they're going to divorce or separate or have an end to their relationship. And again, that's just not the case. But when they're able to empathize, connect, and understand the heaviness of it and be there for each other, then that makes a huge difference. So like our video, subscribe, and leave some further questions for us in the comment section. Thanks again.